Hello friends, today we will discuss Gujcet 2019 paper solution question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Question number 2 Gujcet 2019 d upon dx in bracket 3 cos pi by 6 plus x minus 4 cos cube pi by 6 plus x equal to blank. Four options are given. First is cos 3x, second is pi upon 60 sin 3x, third is pi upon 60 cos 3x and fourth is minus pi upon 60 sin 3x. Here we have to find the value of this mathematical expression. In 11th standard, you already learned the formula of cos 3 theta. Cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now, from this expression, here first term is given 4 cos cube theta positive. So that's why from this we take minus sign outside. So take minus outside, d upon dx 4 cos cube pi by 6 plus x minus 3 cos pi by 6 plus x. Okay. Now compare this value with this formula of cos 3 theta. So here pi by 6 plus x is nothing but our theta. Okay. Pi by 6 plus x, here theta. Both are the same value. Now after comparing with this, what we get? Here we can replace cos 3 pi by 6 plus x. Okay. So this one is my cos 3 theta, where theta is this given value. Now here do the multiplication with this. So pi by 6 multiplied by 3, we get pi by 2 plus here 3x. After this step, again we have to keep one point in our mind. What is the value of cos pi by 2 plus theta? Okay. So cos pi by 2 plus theta, here in this circle, here 0, pi by 2, 180 degree and here 3 pi by 2. So this one is our unit circle. Here we know that pi by 2 plus theta. So pi by 2 plus theta is nothing but the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine function and cosine function is the only even function. Okay. Except this, other all functions are negative function. So here pi by 2 plus theta, cos function. So what is the sign of the cos function? Cos function is negative function here. Okay. So that's why here what we replace? Here cos pi by 2 plus theta. Cos pi by 2 plus theta, this one is in second quadrant, and in second quadrant cosine function is what? Negative function. And because of pi by 2, cosine is converted into sine function. Okay. So cos pi by 2 plus theta is nothing but minus sine theta. So now here replace minus d upon dx. Here this one is minus sine 3x. So minus minus is cancel out. So that's why it become positive sign. Now derivative of sine 3x. So sine function derivative is cos 3x and derivative of 3x is 3. Here we use the chain rule. Okay. After here, if you observe the option, so in option nowhere 3 is given. Okay. So just here we reset these value. Here we need the value pi. So how can we reset? Here 3 keep as it is, multiply by pi, divide by 180, because the value of pi is nothing but 180. Okay, so that's why here multiply by pi, divide by 180. After divide by 3, so here what we have? Pi upon 60 cos 3x. So option 3 is the correct option. Question number 3, Gujcet 2019. If fx equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus up to last term is x raised to 1000, then f dash minus 1 equal to blank. First option is minus 50, second is minus 500, third is minus 100 and fourth option is 500. Here to find f dash minus 1, first of all we need f dash x. So from the given function fx, differentiate this function, we get f dash x, and then x is replaced by minus 1. So we get the required answer. Now the function fx is given to us. For this function, find the derivative. So f dash x is equal to derivative of 1 is 0, x is 1, plus x square is 2x, plus x cube is 3x square, plus here last term is 1000 into x raised to 999. After here, x is replaced by minus 1. So f dash minus 1 equal to 1 plus 2, x is replaced by minus 1 plus 3, here minus 1 square plus 4 minus 1 raised to cube plus last term 1000 into minus 1 raised to 999. After multiplication, here we get f dash minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus here The last term is 1000 minus 1 raised to 999. So here we get minus 1000 and the previous term is plus 999. Okay. Now here do the addition. So 1 minus 2, what we get? Minus 1. Same way 3 minus 4, again we get minus 1. 5 minus 6, again we get minus 1. Up to so on, last term 999 minus 1000, again here we get minus 1. Okay. So here total we have 1000 term. If we pairing it, so we get 500 term. So minus 1, here we add how many times? 500 times. Okay. So what we get? Minus 1 500 times. So answer is minus 500. So f dash minus 1 is minus 500. So option 2 is the correct option. Question number 4, Gujcet 2019. Applying mean value theorem on fx equal to log x, where x belongs to enclosed interval 1 to e, the value of c equal to blank. First option is log e minus 1, second is e minus 1, third is 1 minus e, and fourth is 2. Here we have to apply mean value theorem, okay, for the function log x. So here first we discuss what is the mean value theorem, second we discuss the property of the log x function, okay. Now Lagrange's mean value theorem is nothing but the mean value theorem. So what is the statement of Lagrange's mean value theorem? If a function fx is continuous on a closed interval ab and differentiable on the open interval ab, then there is at least one point x equal to c on this interval such that f dash c equal to fb minus fa upon b minus a. Okay. So here our function is what? Fx equal to log x function. Here what is the condition? Here one function fx is given. This function is continuous in the given interval. So first of all we have to check the condition of continuity. Second we have to check the function is differentiable in open interval. Okay. If these two conditions are satisfied, then for this function there exists at least one point x equal to c in the given interval such that f dash c equal to this value. Okay. Now if we refer the graph of this function, then what these value indicate? Fb minus fa upon b minus a is nothing but the average change and f dash c is nothing but the instantaneous change. Okay. So if function is continuous and differentiable in a given interval, so in this interval at least one point where average rate of change is same as the instantaneous rate of change. So this one is the interpretation of the Lagrange's mean value theorem. Okay. Now second, here we have to check the property of log function. So log function, here the interval is given from 1 to e. So what is the value of e? Value of e is nothing but 2.71 something. So this value lie from 1 to approximate this. Now observe the graph. So in this interval the log function is continuous everywhere. Okay. Also we know that log function is differentiable function everywhere. And what is the range of the log function? Range of the log function is nothing but minus infinity to infinity. Okay. So now according to the LMVT, now write the condition. So first condition is fx equal to log x is continuous on a closed interval 1 to e. Second is fx equal to log x is differentiable on the open interval 1 to e. Okay. So both the conditions are satisfied. So now here it is possible to apply the LMVT. So for this, at least one c exists in 1 to e such that f dash c is equal to fb minus fa upon b minus a. So now here we have to solve this equation and from this we can find the value of c. Here according to this condition find the value. Here what is a? A equal to 1 value and what is b? B equal to e value. Okay. So that's why first find f of 1. So f of 1 is x is replaced by 1. So log 1 equal to 0. F of e is equal to log e. Here we consider base e. So log e to the base e equal to 1. Now find derivative. So derivative of log function is 1 upon x. So f dash x is 1 upon x. In this function x is replaced by c. So we get f dash c equal to 1 upon c. So here we have all the values. Okay. Now put all these values in this equation number 1. Here f dash c is equal to fb minus fa upon b minus a. So b is e and a equal to 1. So here fe minus f1 upon e minus 1. Now previously what we have Fe equal to 1, F1 equal to 0 upon E minus 1. F dash C is nothing but 1 upon C equal to 1 upon E minus 1. So what is our C? C equal to E minus 1. So option 2 is the correct option. Question number 5, Gujcet 2019. If sin raised to 13x cos cube x dx equal to a sin raised to 14x plus b sin raised to 16x plus c, then a plus b equal to blank. First option is 1 upon 110, second option is 17 upon 112, third option is 15 upon 112, and last option is 1 upon 112. Here this equation is given to us. After comparing right hand side and left hand side, we have to find the value of capital A and capital B. Okay. So here we need to evaluate this integral. For this, we take the assumption, suppose sin x equal to t. Now do the derivative on both the sides. So we get sin x derivative cos x dx equal to dt. Okay. Now here in integral cos cube x is given. Cos cube x is written as cos square x into cos x. Okay. Sin 13x as it is, cos square x is written as 1 minus sin square x, cos x dx as it is, equal to, keep right hand side as it is. After here, sin 13x is replaced by t13. Same way 1 minus t square. Here cos x into dx is nothing but from this dt. So cos x into dx is dt. So that's why here I split the cos cube x as cos square x into cos x, equal to right hand side is as it is. After multiplication, here t13 minus t raised to 15 into dt equal to right hand side. Now do the integration. So integration of t raised to 13 is t raised to 14 upon 14 minus here t raised to 15 integration is t raised to 16 upon 16 plus c equal to right hand side. Again here t is replaced by our assumed value. So t is nothing but sine function. So here sin raised to 14x upon 14 minus sin raised to 16x upon 16 plus c equal to right hand side. Now compare the coefficient on both the side. Okay. So now here c is cancel out. Here sin 14x, sin 14x. Now compare the coefficient. So what is the capital A? Capital A is nothing but 1 upon 14. And compare the coefficient of sin raised to 16x and sin raised to 16x. So here what is the capital B? Capital B is equal to minus 1 upon 16. Okay, because here plus sign is given. So here we have to first put here plus minus. So what is the coefficient B? B is equal to minus 1 upon 16. After getting A and B, here do the addition. Okay, so A plus B is equal to 1 upon 14 plus minus 1 upon 16 is equal to 1 upon 112. So our option 4 is the correct option.